National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Newcastle County, Kent County until 9:45 p.m. At 5:45 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain over Kent and southeastern Newcastle counties. Locations in the warning include but are not limited to Dover. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in the warning area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Never attempt to cross swiftly flowing waters or waters of unknown depth by foot or in an automobile. Turn around, don't drown. Most flood-related deaths occur in automobiles. Do not attempt to cross water-covered bridges, dips, or low water crossings. Turn around, don't drown. Never try to cross a flowing stream, even a small one, on foot. To escape rising water, move up to higher ground.
Double header.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, including Cape Henlopen, Woodland Beach, Slaughter Beach, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cross Ledge Light, East Point, Fortesk Beach, 14-foot Bank Light, Miami Light, Sea Breeze and Ship John Shoal Light, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of thunderstorms producing strong winds 40 knots or greater from 16 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 28 nautical miles southwest of Cape Henlopen, or from 16 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach to 20 nautical miles west of Ocean City, moving northeast at 40 knots. These strong thunderstorms will be near over Slaughter Beach by 6:20 p.m. over Cross Ledge Light by 6:30 p.m. over Miami Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Brown Shoal Light and Brandywine Shoal Light by 6:35 p.m. over Fortesk Beach and 6 nautical miles southeast of Sea Breeze by 6:40 p.m. over East Point by 6:50 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.